Your shop deserves tools tough enough to withstand your demands. Tools that deliver the power and durability you need to get the job done. You need the tools professionals turn to. Tools from Jet. The heavy-duty 3-wheel bench belt grinder line is designed for the long haul, offering belt diameters in 1x42, 2x48, and 2x60. Jet has the answer for your grinding needs. Outfitted with a full casted body and vented motor shroud, the Jet bench belt grinders are protected from your shop's most dangerous elements. Delivering innovation at every angle, the Jet 3-wheel bench grinder includes a dust port that drives sparks and debris away from the operator and features an intuitive lever-based belt tensioning process. For maximum operator safety, the power switch includes a safety key to prevent accidental startups. The safety guards are conveniently adjusted for larger workpieces. Following strict guidelines and electrical requirements, all 3-wheel bench belt grinders are CSA, CUS certified. Backed by Jet's industry-leading 2-year full warranty, it is easy to see why metalworking experts trust Jet.